all the screws of this door frame are off, except like this corner and that corner. We're gonna take the door all the way off to do the lift. TT, how's it going? Yeah?
Trying to figure it out.
Punch the rivets out through the middle.
Yeah, but these are kind of...
I told you, you gotta change the okay? Yeah, turn it upside down. Yeah, hold the button, turn the wheel till it locks. Spin it hard. You got gloves on, spin it hard.
Okay. I put this.
There you go, just like that. Take that one out, put that one in, doesn't matter. Now the difference between these blades, this is a grinder. This is to eat it away, wear it away, make it flush.
And this is the cut.
So you can't put it that way.
It's the other way.
Yeah, because what happens is this lip, we're not allowed the blade tight. You have this lip for the thick blade.
Okay.
Okay, so this one's the
Flat.
flat side.
Oh.
Put this on first. Tighten the blade. There you go. It's good. Yeah, it helps us plug it in. Just don't tell nobody.
You got it.
All right, so now I believe that these are the screws that were holding this thing from coming out.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna wedge it in here and try to pop it off whatever lip or the screw there is, and I'll be holding this door. When this thing starts to roll,
You want the small hammer or the big?
start over here. Grab that frame over there.
Oh my god.
Just hold it.
Nothing? Oh boy. Damn.
Wait, there's something.
Yeah, it's
The door's
okay.
locked. Don't worry about it. The door's locked. Ain't nobody getting in there. All right. Look at that! I can fit a motorcycle in it. It's great for a motorcycle ramp.
Can you
My
imagine?
bike will probably take me.
Easy.
You got a bike?
I have a 650.
There you go. It'll fit right in there.
650 Ninja.
Won't be able to sleep back there, but the bike will.
I sleep in the sofa.
All right.
Nah.
Well, keep popping out the rivets.
Alright.
Damn, the door's out. Can I do something? I feel
You are. You just give me the finger?
No.
You saw that, right? You just gave me the finger.
I want. No. JD, how was your first day on the bus?
My first day.
Yeah, your first day working on the bus. No?
I've worked a lot of times.
When?
Most of the times you just don't record.
What? This is not true.
Who's the one with the dirty hands?
Okay, today it's you because I can't lift heavy things or do any force with my arms right now. Okay.
Excuses.
They're not excuses. They are the truth. I, for once, was a helper slash supervisor slash water person. I was the water boy today, Timmy.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are the
Everything
hands?
else is the same. Done.
You're done? Okay, get ready for many more days like this to come. Next week, Sunday, you're off? Yes, you are.